What's going on YouTube? I'm super excited for you because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $20 in PayPal money. So this is going to be some passive income and you could do this and make money while you sleep. Yes, I said it because I'm going to share with you how you could set it up so that way it could be autopilot. You can make money over and over again just as long as you follow the method that I'm going to share with you. And I'm going to show you an evergreen niche that you can tap into that is going to be consistent and it's going to be ongoing. So this is not create YouTube videos or all that type of stuff. This is something that you're going to enjoy and you're going to love. So if it's your first time here, my name is Andre. On this channel, I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, just different ways, how I share my knowledge with you so you can go out there and you can crush it. So if it's your first time here, subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. For my regulars, happy to have you here. It's always good to see you coming back to my videos over and over again to support this channel. So make sure you watch the video all the way to the end, because I'm going to show you how to earn $20 in your PayPal account. And the good thing with this $20 that you're going to make, you can make it over and over again. So you're going to earn some passive income while you sleep. So let's jump into the video right away. So the website that I'm going to share with you is a website that is called ShrinkEarn.com. So ShrinkEarn.com, as you can see right here, you can earn up to $20 per 1,000 views. And I'm going to show you how to set this up and how you can make money over and over again. So if you scroll down here, what is this particular website? It's pretty easy. There's 3 simple steps. You create an account, you shorten your link, and you can earn money. So you basically are getting paid every time someone click on the link that you create, and they do it over and over again. Now, I'm going to set it up where people are going to want to click on your link. I'm going to set it up where people, if they want to know what it is, they're going to click on it. And we're going to show you how you could set it up on autopilot where you can also make some money, passive income. So what is ShrinkEarn? You can read all this if you want to. How much can you earn? How much do you earn? You can earn as much as you want, as little as you want. It's a lot of money. 20% per referral if you want to make more money with this as well. Featured administration panel. They have all these type of stuff. So feel free to come through here and you could sign up. Once you sign up, it's always at the top. You could sign up. And let me click over to the payout rate so you could see. So the minimum payouts is $5. So the payout frequency is daily within like 12 hours. And they pay you every single day. So you can get paid within PayPal, web money, Payer, Shrill, UPI, or bank transfer. So these are the countries that you're going to get paid every time someone click on your link. So stay with me, watch this video to the end, because I'm going to show you how to set it up where you can make more money with this. So people from Greenland, that's like $20. It's not every day you're going to get people from Greenland. Not every day you're going to get people from Iceland, San Marino. You'll get people from US, UK, New Zealand, sometimes Canada, Australia, Germany. So these are some of the countries, and it's a worldwide deal. As you can see, all the countries worldwide, they're paying $3. So everything else is $3. If you want to see the countries that pay more, of course, you want to check up here. So this is the highest that they're paying. So visitors must be unique within like 24 hours. That's how you're going to get paid. So you get paid every time, let's say, someone view your content, click on it. They have to stand there at least 10 seconds, and the visitor is like a JavaScript, all that type of stuff. So once you do this and you sign up for it, you can create your link inside this platform. So you can create your link. After you create your link, now it's time to find the people and start to find traffic. This is where a lot of people, they like, okay, I create my account, Andre. Now, what do I do next? Now, hang on a second. I'm going to show you how to get evergreen traffic. Now, for this particular thing, I want to tap into the gaming niche. Everybody know that gamers love to click on things. They want to see what the hottest thing. If a brand new video come out on YouTube, they're going to be the first one to know. So gaming is always good. So the first thing you want to do, you want to subscribe to some gamers channel. See what's coming out. And as soon as they launch the videos, what we're going to do, we're going to take their link. So for example, this just launched 7 hours ago. Look at this. There's over 153,000 people watch this video already. It's crazy. So with this particular video, I'm going to show you two methods. I'm going to show you this method, and I'm going to show you the passive income method. So the first thing I would do, I would subscribe to all these channels, all the gaming stuff. And if you don't want to sign up for all of them, you can always type in games, and you can see what's new. So this right here, not too many people have seen this yet because it's not even 24 hours. I would copy the link. So I would click on it, right? It's trending number 22 in the gaming thing. Like, holy moly, number 22. So what I would do, I would copy the link, copy this link, head on over to ShrinkEarn, create my link, because you can go back here, right? Once you sign up for the account, you go like this. You can create your link. And then once you create your link, you want to copy this. Now, once you copy this link, where are we going to go? We're going to find where the gamers are hanging out. We're not going to go on here. We're going to spam a bunch of YouTube comments and all that type of stuff. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about where the gamers live. And we're going to head on over to Reddit. Everybody know what Reddit, right? Reddit is huge, and I'm sure there's a large gaming community. So if you go on Reddit, you can type in gaming. Look at all these. These are large groups that people are looking for, and gamers. So if you type in the gaming section, I would come on here and I would look at this. Over 600,000 people in this. No, don't be a dick. Follow the guidelines. Use the flares. No self-promotion, duplication. No clickbaity title thing. All that type of stuff. Yes, they're saying all this stuff, right? So it's not clickbaity. However, since that video just came out, right, I would come on here. I would join it. First, I would join it. And then I would put my post in here. I would write, hey, I would say something like this. Hey guys, have you seen the Have H part 1 video? This is insane. I've seen it. It's a great video. It just launched. It just came out. Here's a screenshot. And you can even take a screenshot picture and you could post it and then put your link in there. Because all these things right here, these are people that are promoting other things. So they're posting things inside of here. You can also go to Twitter. There's a large gaming community on Twitter. So Twitter, Reddit is hot. Now, that's the first method. Now I'm going to show you the second method. Now, the second method is where the passive income is going to come in. And this thing is going to bring you in clicks, views like clockwork. What we're going to be doing, we're going to find Creative Commons gaming videos. So we're going to find Creative Commons. So if we click on here, we find the Creative Commons, right? What is Creative Commons? Creative Commons or videos that you can reuse, that the owner for these videos, they let you reuse them. So look at these videos. This one just came out 2 days ago. This one, 1 day ago. This, like 6 months ago. Now, the ones that are 6 months, I wouldn't highly recommend those ones. I would try to go for the ones that like just came out. Like this one, this is like perfect. Like if you upload this video right away and you upload this, this is going to be money coming in over and over again. So how you could download these videos. Now there's a YouTube way how you could do it, right? You can click on here right before the word YouTube, you can click SS. So you have to find the video that you want to use first. So let's say I'm going to use this video. So I'll click on it. This is a video. Up in the URL, you can type in the word SS. Once you type in SS, you click enter, just like that. And once you click it, this is from the computer version. I don't know from the mobile version. If you got a mobile, then you definitely have to do that. So you have to search on Google or YouTube how to download from your specific phone. So your video is ready, download. So if you come on here, you can download it for absolutely free. So if you go right here and you click, you could download it. And this is like low quality. You could download HD, and once you download it, it's free. Then you can create your own, very own YouTube channel. When you create, where is that YouTube link? Okay, let me just go head on over. You can create your own very YouTube channel, upload it, change the thumbnail, make it a little bit different. You can use the keywords around it, all that type of stuff. And then once you do that, then you're going to get your link and you're going to put it at the bottom of the video. You can also, under each video, you can say, click here to learn more, or check out this new thing that's coming out. So people are going to be clicking on your link over and over and over again, and it's going to be like clockwork. So that's how you're going to earn passive income while you sleep. And you can earn $20 in your PayPal over and over again. So it's something that's going to be continuously. So in here in the Reddit group, that's one. You can go on Twitter, or you can create your own Creative Commons YouTube videos so people can start clicking on your link. So I hope you enjoyed that video. That video was gold. So I want you to take that and run with it. Start to apply what you learned right away. And if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Go check out AndreMillerOnline.com if you want to work with me personally and you want to see what my team and I are working on, so you can find something that will make you a more life-changing income. Don't forget, check out my Facebook group as well. You can join my Facebook group. And don't forget the community right here. It's a great community. So I always post valuable content in here. So make sure you check it out as well. My name is Andre. Have a great day. That was earn $20 in your PayPal right away. Earn some PayPal money, and you can earn passive income while you sleep. See you on the next video. Peace.